Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can create your very own CapCut template. So we're currently 5 seconds into the video. So I'm gonna be heading now to CapCut and to show you just how you can do it. So down here you'll see the template option where you'll be able to see all the templates that other people has created, and apart from that you'll also see like these kinds of like ad banners down here. Up here, I mean, you might want to click on these one, and then now you'll be told to apply and like fill out a form, which is necessary if you want to create template. So for now I'm not really there to create a template, but for you to really create a template you need to apply for that, and you might need to wait and then comply with all the instructions that they ask of you in order for you to be able to be allowed to post templates or share templates to everyone on CapCut. So what I'm just showing here is just the procedure of like creating a video and then exporting it, which is what takes this a long time. So I'm just gonna skip right to the end. So here we are at the end, and now what you usually see here is like it tells you where you can share. You can share it to TikTok, to WhatsApp, or Facebook, or whatever. But if you have completed what CapCut has done, or like the form, and then CapCut has gotten back to you, and then they allow you to be a creator, the option to save your project as a template or share it as a template will appear here below the share to TikTok button. But because I'm not a part of their creators, I cannot share their template. Just to prove that I'm not lying about this, you can search it up on the internet and you'll see that people have different screens or like more options in this screen right here if they were a creator. But that is how you can create templates on CapCut. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!